Backus Hospital in Norwich is adding a new weapon in the war on drugs. Every public safety officer has now been trained to carry Narcan, which is a medication that can reverse an opioid overdose. In just a month, it's already been used. Joining us today is Genevieve Boas, the Regional Director of Public Safety and Emergency Medicine at both Backus and Wyndham Hospitals. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
The opioid epidemic is certainly something that is stretching into every community across the nation, including here in Connecticut. Can you explain why you think it's so important that public safety officers carry Narcan?
Sure. I think it's really important our public safety officers carry it because they're oftentimes the first responders out in our parking lots. A lot of times we have folks that are dropped off in the main entrance of our emergency department, and every minute is precious. And so while we are working on getting clinical staff to the scene, we are now able to administer it right away and start the process of helping the patient.
So how many officers are carrying it now, and what was the training they had to go through?
We have about 45 officers carrying it currently. It was an hour-long training. We used our EMS coordinator and trainer. Part of it was just educational, how to see the signs of an opioid overdose, and the other part was a hands-on portion.
So will public safety officers at Wyndham Hospital soon carry this?
Wyndham is our next site. We have about 23 officers there. Our trainings are set up through July, so they will be carrying it the first week of August.
And then will other hospitals also within Hartford Healthcare start carrying it as well?
Yeah, that's one of the benefits of being part of the Hartford Healthcare system. This initiative came up during a public safety council meeting. I was very passionate about it, and so we started our pilot at Backus, but we plan to roll out across the system.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your time with us and letting people know about this important issue. We appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
And for more information, please visit backushospital.org.